was originally bought by a doctor in South Carolina, Charlotte to be exact. He bought it from Town and Country Ford and got it new from them. He held it until 2017, and at that point in time he sold it to Jared Brown, who's the service writer and part owner of the shop that this car got worked on all the time. And Jared took good care of it, of course, because he loved it, and he sold it to me on Bring a Trailer in I don't remember what the exact date was. I put about 1,500 miles on it. It's a delight to drive, and I just had the entire individual rear suspension removed, and everything in it is either new or as new. And that I've got a letter to that effect that goes with the car.